Are you ready to grow your business through lead generation and email marketing? I am here to help you. My name is Kawsar. I am a professional lead generation and email marketing expert since 2022. Now I am working on Upwork. Lead generation is the process of gathering potential customer leads, while email marketing is the process selling products or services to potential customers. I will help you to generate targeted leads from any niche, any company, any industry, and any country. Also help you promote your brand, grow your business among your target customers, and increase your visibility through email marketing. I am expert on B2B lead generation, LinkedIn lead generation, social media lead generation, e-commerce lead generation, real estate lead generation, real estate script tracing, domain name research, email marketing, email campaign run and automation setup with MailChimp, email flow setup with Klaviyo, email template and newsletter design, and HTML email signature design. Thanks for watching my video.